Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create leads in Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM developed by Zoho helps businesses manage potential customers and sales opportunities. In Zoho CRM, a lead represents a person or company that may become a future customer. Creating leads allows you to organize contact information, track communication, and convert prospects into customers. So first what you can do is open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top select to this type down is zoho.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface of your Zoho, select to the CRM over here, and over here what you can do is select to access Zoho CRM, and you'll automatically get into this interface. And over here you'll get into this interface. On the left hand side we can find to this leads just below the sales here. Select to this leads, and over here you need to select to this create lead in the top right corner. Enter lead information. A form will appear where you can fill in details such as your first name, your title, phone number, mobile number, lead source, industry, and annual revenue as well. After filling all of this form, what you can do is save this lead in the top right, and that is it. Regularly update lead information and change their status as you contact them. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.